So let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Mm. Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Um, so trading.
Mm.
Um, what what do you know about trading? Like, what comes to your mind when when you first hear the term trading?
Then it's something about market and money, like people come and that's what I know. I know like nothing.
Okay. It's just an exchange of good or value. Exchange of value. So basically,
Mm.
um, suppose you want something. You want something to buy, like, take example, food. Okay,
Okay.
food. So like food is like very essential stuff. Like,
Uh-huh.
we do need food to survive, right? Um,
Yeah.
so there's like wheat, there's
Mm.
rice, there's
Yeah.
like there's a lot of, like, uh, food product that we need. And there is also a market for that as well. Like, people do trade wheat. Like, once you go to a
Yeah.
shop, like, you can buy from, like, suppose rice, you can buy it for like 90 rupees per kilogram. There's like 50 rupees
Mm.
per kilogram, different type of rice. And
Yeah.
so this is your retail price. Like, once you
Yes.
go to the shop and stuff, like, that's your retail price, like, for 1 kilogram. Suppose you want to buy in bulk, like, suppose you want to buy 1,000 kilogram, 1 quintal,
Mm.
right? So that's like, I mean, most of the retail shop won't have 1,000 kilogram, in the shop.
Yeah.
If you want to buy. So what you do, like, you go to a big market, like, on market, very, uh, means, like, specialized in, um, just
Bulk
selling
things.
wheat, or like just selling rice and stuff, big market. So,
Okay.
like, um,
Okay.
right. So basically what they do is, like, if there is 90 rupees kilogram per kilogram, they will actually, if you
Yeah.
go there, it will, suppose it might be 80 rupees kilogram. So, like, you basically
Mm-hmm.
saved 10 rupees on each kilogram per kg, right? Saving. And, like, you can multiply it by 1,000. So you actually saved 10,000 rupees, right? Uh,
Mm. Yeah.
on your, like, this, if you buy in bulk, basically. So that's what the market is, basically. In big market, you have basically, like, an organized, uh, trading. Trading is nothing but exchanging something. Okay, so, like, you can exchange rice
Okay.
for money, you can exchange, anything for, something that's valuable. So, for instance, like, if I do wheat, you
Mm-hmm.
see wheat, daily spot. See this one, uh,
Mm-hmm.
grain gains. Okay, so this is your, we call it basically grain. You know.
Okay.
So let me see. They have candles. We call this one. mm, 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 I see. There's like pork belly market as well. Anyway,
Yeah.
Suppose Reliance, okay,
Mm.
they have bought very much. I think yeah, this is a. Let me just get the Reliance. That's what we are familiar with. Reliance
Okay.
Industries. Well, take Bombay Stock Exchange, Reliance Industries Limited. So
Mm.
this is one of that good, Reliance industry. You might know, there's like a lot of different companies, uh, subsidiaries of Reliance. So you can actually think of it like essential stuff that we need in order to like live or survive. Like for instance, there's Geo Internet, uh, Geo Internet that we need, right? And so there's like subsidiary of that. There's like Geo Digital, Geo this, like there's a lot of stuff that comes under Reliance, but this is the main stock share of that, Reliance. So basically, what is a stock share is just that volume. We were talking about 1,000 kilogram. Just think of it as like 1,000 shares of Reliance. You know,
Okay.
yeah. So it's like interchangeable. Like anything, as I told you, like anything that we can exchange for value is trading basically. So for so this is what we call advertising. Okay. Like ad- advertising of price, because like if you want to sell something, you need to advertise one way or another. People need to know, like what you're providing, right? So
Mm.
that's what whenever you open a chart, go to trading view, and like once you go there, what we see is like we see two things: price and volume. That's your like number of shares, or number of, like how many kilograms of wheat you need, or yeah, you get the idea, right? So so imagine some people want to buy, so like what they do, they come to the market and they see it, right? They see this
Mm.
stuff basically,
Okay.
right? And so what happens is they see, and like something happen in their brain, like if they have
Yeah.
money, like should we buy or should we sell, like what should we do? So basically,
Mm.
what I mean is that like once you see this chart, that's why I called it like advertising. Like you see, like whenever you go outside, and like whenever you see like new billboard and stuff, like your brain automatically gets into and see, oh, like this is a new billboard I haven't seen. Like you actually, like you must
Yeah.
have noticed, like you read it, like unconsciously
Yeah.
we read
Yeah.
it, and like we see like what the
Exactly.
heck is that, like uh,
Yeah.
basically point is like our mind is receptive to this. uh, that's what people call like picture word thousands word. That's why like in most of the billboard, like you see less word, more picture and stuff, like they want to activate your
Okay.
brain in certain way.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what this is as well. And so if I say it in like trading terms, this is like price, this is
Okay.
volume of shares, volume of units and stuff. Now
Mm-hmm.
what you might see is that, like now this is where things get interesting. So let me just quiz you a bit, like
Mm.
what did you got so far?
I got to know. I like that advertisement part that you told me.
Hmm.
I can hear myself. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
And trading is like exchange of value. It's more like a market, something you get. For example, you gave me that example of 1,000 shares,
yeah,
something in like bulk, and you can give in return or like the value.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So basically what you're doing, like, as I like told you, so there's like retail market, there's like big market. um, so it's like if you want to buy big, right, like you buy it from them, you know retail, and then they sell it to like us, like normal human being or average human being. Because we don't think about that much, like like have um so basically, what I'm trying to say is that, suppose you want to be successful as build big market, or you want to be as successful as like retail market, what you have to do is like in like NLP. Have you heard this term NLP, like neuro linguistic
Yes, yes.
programming?
Yeah,
Yeah, so
yes.
they teach us about like modeling and stuff. So uh, basically what we do is like we study them, like we study this big
Mhm.
market, like so if we wanna like model, um, if we wanna generate an income such as like big market, like this like huge institution, like we have to model, we have to learn what they do, what they are doing, what they are not doing, and then we have to do like them, like we don't have to do what average human being do, like we know that like most of the you know
Yeah.
um, average human or like normal human being, we don't think about that much. So
Yeah.
basically our task is to like study them, you know and basically sell to normal human being, and like um, be as like act as big market, and success will follow basically. So that's what I'm trying to say. So what I'm trying to say is, see, Reliance Industry, they are
Mhm.
big market. Okay, they're like big people. It's like billions of dollars of industry. So in order to uh, invest in their company, what they did, like they have like suppose like millions of share. Suppose they have 10 million
Yeah.
share. Okay, 10 million
Yeah.
shares of Reliance Industries, and they are selling per share. There's like suppose this is the share price, okay,
Yeah.
1413 rupees per share, okay. For one share, you have to pay 1413 rupees, right? you
Okay.
can you
Yeah.
can put dollar, you can put any amount, it doesn't matter, okay, number is number, okay, like that's what we agree on
Okay.
most of the time. Like number, mathematics is the only science where we don't have disagreement. Okay, we all know that 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Like there's no
Yeah.
disagreement, right? So that's why, like one of the big revelation that I had, like since last time we were learning trading and stuff, like I wasn't paying much attention to like mathematics of it, and once I found that, oh, like mathematics is the only exact science where we don't have disagreement. Okay, it's like we know 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and like and everybody agree on it, like, right? So um, so they are selling at, so they are advertising for per share of Reliance for 1413 rupees, right? So if you want to buy 10,000 share you have to like multiply it with like 1,000, and that's how
Yeah.
much you have to pay basically. So um all right, so like so far we cleared this out, right? Like what market is, what they are advertising. They
Yes.
are only telling us price and volume. All right. And
Yes.
now let's move on to the mathematics part of it, like dissecting it, and like what do I mean by that? So um, see, like what we are doing now is like in order to be successful in trading, um, I'll give you one example. Okay. Um,
Yes.
so imagine you own a
Mhm.
farm. Okay, you own a
Mhm.
farm where you are growing. um, some crops like, for instance, take rice. Okay, uh, you are growing rice. Now there's season involved. Okay, that's where like things get interesting. Like I was studying astrology and all this stuff, and it's like you must know, like whenever you ask people like who are farming and stuff, like they will tell you like there's certain season, in a year where that's the best time to grow crops, and there's another time to harvest it and stuff. So what do I mean by that is like, so there's like 12 months in 1 year,
Huh.
right?
Yeah.
There's like almost 30 days in 1 month. There's like 7 days in 1 week. 7 days in 1 week. And then there's like 24 hours in 1 day. And you actually get the idea, right? Like, and there's like
Yeah.
1440 minutes in one day, basically. Yeah, so you can actually go down this road, like, you know,
Yeah.
um, so so there's like a different lens of looking into it, like, like, so if you are farm owner, like you will think in terms of month. You wouldn't be
Mm-hmm.
thinking, okay, I'm gonna grow wheat for 24 hours and then sell it next day, right? It's not possible.
Yeah.
It takes time, like, right?
Mm-hmm.
um, there's another crops for like which can be yield, which can have yield in 30 days, right? Like for instance, you can take like um, carrot. Let's take example of carrot. Like, you just put it on the ground,
Okay.
like, after 15-20 days you can harvest it. Yeah. So what I mean, the gist of it is that, like, um, without time there is no structure. Like, what you get what I mean, like,
Mm-hmm.
um, so like you need to give time in order for something to get accomplished, like established or something, right?
Uh-huh.
So for instance, see, like we are in 15 minutes time frame, and like there's like 8 minutes left, right, on this time
Mm-hmm.
completion, right? If I go and put the monthly, first let's put the monthly time frame. um, you see, so this is starting off. So you see this dinosaur um, figure here. That's the start of the market. And in 1990, uh,
Mm-hmm.
Reliance Industries started, right? And what you see, the
Yeah.
price was like almost, starting price was like, how much was it? You see, like starting price was 3 rupees. Back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
I think we weren't even born that time. So
Mm-hmm.
market existed before us. Uh, um, but who created the market? Us, we created the market, basically. Um, you know, so see, like, this is monthly chart, and like, once you go there, like if I go and put, so there's like 12 months in 1 year, right? And
Yeah.
there's like 120 month in 10 years. So like let's just put 120 there. See, 120, right? I'm gonna put a vertical line, then a cycle finder. Where is it? Cyclical lines. To see time cycle, I'm gonna put here starting point there. Then
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put here. I don't need to put background there. Okay. You know what? I think let's put. So see, this is 120 days. Okay. Now you can see the this is 10-year cycle. Okay. Um,
Mm-hmm.
10-year cycle. Okay. Um, we can also put like 1-year cycle. But let me go to the daily time frame, and now we can see this right. Mm, let me remove that. So let's put monthly one. Let's just focus on this. So start of the year is like suppose 2025. Here it started January. This is January 1st. 2024 January.
Yeah.
Right. I'll take my it here. This is yearly cycle. Okay. So okay. Yeah. So this is like your yearly cycle, and like we can see what what happened on each month. So
Oh.
this is like whole year at 250 days, and I like because there's like 2 days off here. But what I'm trying to show you is that like everything has season. Okay, it's like we have season. Like human lives like average age of human being is like now 80 years. Okay, back in the day
Mm-hmm.
1950 it was like 40 years, 50 years or something because most of the people goes to war or something. I don't know. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
um, so like in trading, no, like we can actually so see this trading is like this thing that we have created. Okay, there's like we can it actually works on seasonality of what human being thinks on like what's going on earth and stuff. Okay, and that's why like that's why this like planetary uh, this planetary position have some effect on us, like our brain. What do I mean by that is now let me explain you like why season happens. Okay, because this is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's time for everything basically. So
Yeah.
we talked about time, we talked about price. Let's talk about the psychology of it. So like I told you right in the beginning, once we see advertising, something happens in our brain. It
Yeah.
activates our brain, or to be specific, neurons. Okay, activate brain in certain way that they want. Okay, not we want, but they want, right? Who are advertising.
Mm-hmm.
So basically they have like a lot of money, like they know what people think. So suppose right now, for instance, festival season is here. Okay, like Durga Puja
Yeah.
is there, and then like um,
Chhat
um,
Puja.
yeah, and there's like big Deepavali,
Diwali.
and then like
Yeah.
Christmas and stuff. So like people are already expecting, okay, like, season is coming, everything is gonna be cheap. Like we're gonna buy this, so people are saving for that, right? Like there's a lot of campaign going on. Like once I open Amazon, you'll see like lots of offer and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what? Amazon, Amazon routine. You see like lots of offer there. Starting for your home kitchen, this like deals revealed. Anyway, My point being is that once we know the season, we already know what to expect. Okay, and in trading, like that's what we want to do. It's like so, suppose if you are saving money and you want to buy a new phone, like you will basically, wait for the best time to buy to get a best
Mm-hmm.
deal, right? So suppose people want to buy iPhone, right? And iPhone is very expensive, right? So like imagine it's right, iPhone 17 is like $1,500 something. I think it might be more, but during festival season, the price might get reduced to, like, suppose we are getting 50% discount, for instance, suppose, okay, uh, the price will be $750, so we are getting half of that, half of that price. Who wouldn't
Mm-hmm.
want to do that? Like, if you buy like right now, um, you can only buy one iPhone. Like if you wait for like 2 months, okay, you can buy two iPhone, like one for you and one for your girlfriend or something. One you can like one you can one you can give it to your family and stuff, right? Like yeah, so basically you are getting one for free. That's why, like, people give offer like, okay, buy one get one free, like buy one two one free or something. It's just like they are advertising, in order to get more sale and stuff. um so that's where the season comes from, okay, because we know what to expect from the season, right?
Yeah.
And once we know that, then we can actually interpret the price and time very accurately. So
Mm-hmm.
and that season basically comes to advertising, and that's what our like psychology is, you know so let me tell you how psychology, come on, psychology affects trading, right? So uh,
Yeah.
okay, so uh, I'm actually thinking like what's the best way to explain it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, okay, like it's best we start, like, let me ask you what do you know like about psychology, and like what do you think?
Psychology is something that it can study about how brain works.
Mm, okay.
I like reading psychology based books.
Mm,
Yeah. So, for example, like human brain behavior, or
mm,
like if a particular emotion, what happens in the body, what
mm,
makes you show the emotion. Like if you're angry, how your
mm,
brain works and everything, your
mm,
action. So it's all that.
mm, okay. All right. Yeah, that's really good. So yeah, you're right. Like, psychology is related to brain, uh, analysis of brain and how it works. And uh, so like there are basically different branches of psychology. Like, there's we call like new neuropsychology. There's like
Mhm.
uh, what is on um, clinical psychology. I mean, I don't know, like, but there's like different branches of psychology. Okay. But like the main part is brain. Okay, that's what everything is, like, it's connected to it, because so um basically there's like there's like perception, right? How do we
Mhm.
perceive things? So like we see things, we can touch, we can feel it, right? We
Yeah.
can actually, so seeing, touching, feeling, and what else is there? Like, yeah, you can think of like different things. So suppose you are seeing the market, okay, um,
Hmm.
and what we do, we don't know anything about like what's going on in the brain. So suppose you establish a study where you are studying the brain of a people who don't know anything about trading. So what you do is like you make the like you actually think of uh, what you do is like you basically put computer in front of them, you know, and
Yeah.
you basically put this chart and like set some like reward for them, like you know, if you are sitting there and yeah, that's not good. So suppose you're seeing there, what happened, man? Superman. Anyway, just imagine you are seeing that, and what we do, the reward is like, suppose you make a trade, suppose you buy uh, rice for like you know 80 rupees or $80 uh, per kg, and you sell it to other people for 90 rupees, okay, per kg.
Hmm.
Right? So the difference is like 10 rupees, and that's what I'm gonna give you as reward. Okay. Suppose you buy it for X price, you sell it for Y price, and the difference of that, that's what your reward is, right? So now, what we do is like, suppose we run this experiment for 1 month, and what human can do is like brain, with brain we can see it, right? We can see the screen, what's going on. We
Yes.
can't touch it, but like we can assume to, you know, we can see it, like you know, we can feel and touch it, like what's going on, like if the price is increasing, like we can measure the brain and see the activity. Oh, like you know, their brain got this activity, like euphoria activity, where like they feel euphoric. Oh, price is increasing, I'm in profit and stuff, like you know, um,
Yeah.
and all this stuff, right? And if the price is going down, like you know, that's why I call this like you know, advertisement. Like why I call this advertisement? You know, it's like because color also have perception in us, like you know, like it activates something in our brain, color. So once we see green, there's some emotion or something attached to it, like you know, red is like, so here it's like green is up, okay, red is down, meaning once we
Okay.
see the green bar, that means price went from low to high, right? See, from here to there and closed above. And red is price went down from about to bottom, right? And so um, imagine I'm doing this start of the year, okay, and I add like one candle, and this is daily chart, okay. Every day I'm adding a candle and seeing. So um, suppose if I buy one, uh, suppose I buy 10 shares of Reliance, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I buy it. You see, I bought 10 shares of Reliance. Okay. Now I'm thinking that, okay, I'm seeing, okay, green. That means my brain is telling me, okay, price is going up. Let's just buy it. Right. So we just
Uh-huh.
buy it, and we see that like we are in profit right now, $36. Right. We see now we
Yes.
are in loss, minus $113. Now we are in again profit, $499. So like what we do is like you see, like once we see this number, something's going to happen in our brain. We see that, okay, here it was almost $500 profit, now it's like $125. So although I'm in like $125 profit, if I close 3 4 days 3 days before, I would have made like $500 profit, right? Like, um, you know,
Mhm.
so now what I'll be doing, my human brain is like, I'm gonna wait for it. Like, I'm gonna see, okay, price went this much higher. So like what I'll do, I'll wait for the price to come here, then I will sell it, sell and take profit
Yeah.
and stuff. So like let me add one candle each day and see one by one I'm adding a candle, and you can
Yeah.
see it all this time, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So it is actually playing with our emotion, like, we are waiting this much day, like, if I had this money on some other market, like where it just goes up and up, like I would have made that money in like less time instead of waiting this much, right? Because
Yeah.
waiting is something that like we human are not programmed to do, like, yeah,
Yeah.
like for instance, like me particularly, I'm very impatient, like,
Yeah.
yeah, right. So to see, like, if I was like impatient and didn't wait for it, like after 2 3 run, like, I would have already, like, you know where is my trade? What? Okay, I need to place a trade again. Buy 10 shares of this. Now let's just run it. You just see this one, okay? um, the plus, then minus, plus, and then minus,
Mhm.
like this, okay? Now it's going up,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So if I keep on it, like, it hit our profit, right? Like there, as soon as it hit, what I will be doing, I will take profit there. So suppose I want to take $3,000 profit, right?
Mhm.
So I put 3,000 there, and once the market goes there, let me just confirm it first. Once it actually went, but like there it came down. So yeah. Anyway, imagine like we would have taken profit there, okay? Because the market goes to our price, right? So we take
Yeah.
profit, and this much time we waited, okay? And what was going on in our brain, like, this thing. Um, I'm gonna run it again, and you'll see what I mean. So I will just run it, and we'll see. You see this one, okay? And what I will do, I will
Yeah.
put my take profit there, okay? Confirm it, right? You'll see once it goes there, it will exit the trade, okay?
Mhm.
See, it just exited the trade, took profit there, and uh,
Mhm.
yeah. So what was going on? Uh, you see this one, profit in cash,
Yeah.
3,000 INR, like, win rate. We only had one trade, like we can see,
Yeah.
we entered one trade and all this stuff. So what was going on was, this activity of psychology, like once the price was going up and down, uh, we are
Yeah.
seeing the chart, and um, it's affecting our decision, okay? So the
Mhm.
best way to put it is that, like, what is our goal, and the, what the information we have, right? What is our goal, you know, and then what reward we can expect, basically, what reward we can expect, and the actual result. Okay. So from for the information perspective, what we are getting chart and volume and stuff. Our goal is to make money, you know,
Yeah.
and the reward is basically either we can win or lose, the money we have, right? Like so that's what the
Mhm.
reward is, like, either it's positive or negative, it doesn't matter, like, so our goal is to make money. Okay, suppose I make 10 trade. Okay, suppose I make 10 trade, 10 times I'm buying 1,000 kilogram of rice, suppose, in every month, and I'm selling it for uh, suppose I'm buying it for 80 dollars or rupees or something, and I'm selling it for $100, rupees, and the difference is, so suppose 10 trades. Okay, so the first month I bought it for 80. Okay, and then I sell it for 100. In the second month I bought it for 90, and then again I sell it for 100, right? On the
Mhm.
third month
Mhm.
I bought it for suppose 90, and I sold it for 90, right? So I didn't made any profit here. On the fourth month, suppose I bought it for 70 and I had to sell it for 80. In the fifth month, I bought it for suppose 90, but I have to sell it for 80, because, so here I made, here the result is minus 10, here the result is plus 10, the result is plus 20, here the result is plus 10, here the result is 0, right? Because there's
Yeah.
not much difference, right? Suppose I bought it on the sixth month on with $100, but I sold it for 90, right? So I made like minus 20 loss, right? Um,
Uh-huh.
but if you add all of these, if you add all of these, and you can take it for 10 trades, 12 months, whatever it is. So 20 plus 10 plus 10, there's 0. So 10 plus 20, that's like 30. So all total, that's like 30 into 1,000, because we put 1,000 kilogram. That's much profit I made, right? 30,000, right? Um,
Yes.
so see, like, some month it will be, will make profit. Some month will be, we might take loss. But overall, what our goal is to make money. Overall goal is to make money, right? Um,
Yeah.
and the result should be in positive, right? So
Exactly.
information, get the information. Goal is to make money, right? Um,
Mhm.
either we win, we lose. It doesn't matter as long as we are making net positive, right? So that's our goal
Mhm.
is.
Yeah.
Okay, and so yeah, like, do you have any question? Like, you can ask. Feel free to ask anything. Okay? And I would actually encourage you to ask, like, so that, like, I'm not the only one, like, talking for a long time, and like we can have like interactive discussion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I was curious about those candles. They in two different colors, green and red. What it means?
Uh, the red now is just a color I wanted to like emphasize. I was just putting random colors, nothing much.
No, 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 no. In that trading.
Okay, okay, okay. Hang on. So this, right?
Yeah. This.
It is also just a color. Like, we are using green color to advertise the price, which is increasing. Like, um,
Oh.
yeah. So basically, suppose, um, see, check this out. Okay. Um,
Uh-huh.
suppose you go to a market. Okay, market stays open from suppose 9 a.m. What's happening to my pen? 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., right? So if you want to
Mhm.
buy tomato, right? Like I don't know about the market in Goa. I mean, I do know about market in Goa. They have like fixed price, like this. But once you come to
Mhm.
north and stuff, like they sell tomato, like fresh tomato, really good one. In the morning, it's like expensive. Okay,
Mhm.
um, yeah. But once you go in the night, like it's very cheap, right? Like yeah. Um. So what? What is happening here is like market is open, like for all the people. Like if you want to buy right now, just go to the market, buy it. If you want to buy, you have to choose what you want to do. Basically, that's the market is, right? Open market capitalism, that's what capitalism is. Like it's open to all of us, right? The only
Yes.
condition is like what you want to do with it, right? Like so all this information, what can we do with it, you know so for instance, this green one, like it opened here on that day, you know so suppose this
Mhm.
is there, right? And if I take like time, that's what time is very important, like let me show you what I mean.
Mhm.
Suppose this is a circle. Well, this is a circle node. Don't suppose it is. um, and we divide it into four quadrants, okay? And we can also divide it into this much, right? On eighth quadrant. And
Mhm.
what we get from this is like this is our like clock, you know that's how clock works. So you have like 12 here.
Yeah.
Come on. And it's 12. If you want to divide it into like 12th chord part, like you just put it here, one, there, there, there. I don't know how to. One, two, three, like 12, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, I'm making a flag here. Anyway, see this 12, 3, 6, 9, right? So
Yeah.
market opens at 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m., okay? And it goes to 11, right? So opened at 9 in the morning, goes there, and then closes at 11, right? So suppose at the opening, open price was this, okay? This was open price, okay? And as
Yeah.
the time progresses, this was the low. See the bottom of the lowest of that candle, you know.
Mhm. Yeah.
We call it candlestick because it looks like candle, this. Yeah.
Mhm.
So open, suppose low was somewhere around here. This time it made low, you know then it went up, right? So imagine this, okay? So imagine it opened, okay? And in the after opening for till 1 a.m., till 1 p.m., it was going down, okay? So it opened
Yes.
here, you know, it was going down till 1 p.m. here. Then it started to go up, okay? And after that, it just keeps going up and up and up, okay?
Mhm.
So what we did was, in the beginning, this was that, right? The open, the low was there, and then as it goes
Mhm.
up, right? Um, that was like our closing price. Suppose, uh, it also made high, right? So let's just take this high, and then it closes below. So
Mhm.
that's what it is. Um, So open, low, high, and it closes there, right? Close. So that's how it
Yeah.
got its green color, like we can set it to anything basically. So we can just like put it here, green, you know, and that's what candle is basically, right? So
Yeah.
you can imagine like as we go down up there, it just closes on higher prices. Okay. So that's why we call time a cycle, because it repeats. That's why in the clock you have like 12, there's like 12 months in 1 year, there's like 12 hours in 1 day, and all of these are like multiples of 12 or something. um,
Mm.
so you got the point, right? Like how the candles work, like in on the days, like you have this clock, you know um, you open it, like and that's how it works, because like
Yeah.
time moves only one way, that's forward. There's like yeah, but the price can move up and down, yeah. So you got all this point, right? Any confusion, anything, just let me know.
No, no, I understood this part. I see.
Okay. So um what I'll be doing right now is, so this is whole year, right? So let me actually go on to 1 minute, uh, and I will actually remove all this. We start the day there. Suppose so today is 18th, right? 18th
Yeah.
of September. There. I will select it there. So see, this is minute by minute candle, okay? And once we see this, so see every minute it's printing, it's advertising, okay? It's printing one candle
Uh-huh.
every minute. You see?
Uh,
So see, sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's going down, right?
yeah.
So let's just watch it for this whole day, like till now, and we'll see the gist of the market, the behavior, how it is moving and stuff. Okay.
Mhm.
Please. So the thing is, like every 1 minute, this is what's going on, okay, from the start of the day.
Uh,
So I'll just speed things up a little bit. I Now you can see, like once I was in like one x, 1 minute,
yeah.
how our brain was thinking, like it was okay, okay, going down, going up, like it's doing
Yeah. Yeah.
something, like we can't explain it, but like that's what we are doing. We are training our brain to process this information, what to do with this information in order to make money.
Mhm.
Okay. And
Exactly.
yeah, so I'll just speed things up, and like we'll see it progress to see. Now see, like what's going on, like our brain doesn't know what to do, it's just seeing if something is moving there. Because in 1 minute, in like in 1x, what was going on, okay, like brain was taking that information, okay, okay, very slowly, but as we increase the speed, it's just like it just says, okay, like I can't process this information, let's just see what's going on, like we don't have to think much.
Uh-huh.
So see, this is like every candle, and this is the volume of shares that's been going on. So,
Yeah.
mm, all right. So there we go. Like so this is the post one, and like let me. So this is the chart of Bitcoin. Now I will do. um 1 hour. Suppose I'll do 1 hour, okay, and then I'll go to the um suppose I go to the start of the month, start of September, and I will do this. And now what we see is like every every 1 second it's printing 1 hour candle, okay? So we'll
Yeah.
see what happens. It's going down, up. So see what our job is. Now I'll pause it and I'll ask you like, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think? Suppose I give you like $10,000
Mm.
and I ask you to invest it on Bitcoin, okay? And I will tell you like it doesn't matter like if you lose this money or not. But if you win, like whatever profit you have, like we will share 50-50, okay? Like 50% you keep it, 50% give me the profit because it's my money, right? Like I'm giving you to invest it, but I'm giving you condition that like, okay, I trust you in such a way that like if you lose money, okay, it doesn't matter. But if you make money, 50% I'll get it, 50% you get it. So like, win-win situation. Like, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now, now
Yes.
I will ask you, okay, what you want to do right now? Like, should you buy it? Should you sell it? What do you think? Like, this is all the information you have.
Mm.
Suppose this is all the information you have, but you can increase the information that you want to get. Suppose you like four candle out, it's not giving us much information. Okay, we do see the volume is okay,
Yeah.
increased here. Volume was okay, slightly less. Volume was really high there. So what we see with this information is that okay, the volume on the red candle are more than the volume on the green candle. Okay, that's what we can get from this much information, right? Last five
Pretty
candles.
much. Yeah.
Yeah, so what you can tell me from this information? Should the price increase or decrease? What should happen? It's just a exercise. It doesn't matter whether you're right or wrong. We are actually training our brain. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chances are because we can see that the red volume is more, so maybe the price can go down.
Okay. So suppose the price is going down, and what I will doing is like I will buy, I will sell it. I will sell
Uh-huh.
one Bitcoin. Um, you know, okay, like not one, but rather 10,000. Uh, hang on. So suppose I right now it's like 108, right? So 0.1 uh, BTC I want to sell. So suppose I sell it, okay?
Yeah.
Um, and all right, now I will see okay whether the price is going down or not. So I'll add one more candle. Price did slightly go down. See, we made $0.15. Now let's see on the next candle. The price went up a bit. Now the volume is increased right here. You see, after this volume was on this one down less, right? Less volume than this one. So I would ask you like, what
Yes.
should you do on this candle once you see less volume on the red one? Should you like keep that what you've sold or like whether you wanna keep it like keep holding it? What do you wanna do?
Maybe keep holding it and see
Okay.
more.
Okay. And then on the next candle, we see this candle, right? Like the green candle with more
Green.
volume on the green one. So now I'll ask you what you should do. Right now, we are in minus $14. So if I exit right now, I will take a small loss, but there's like more chance, there's like good probability that okay, if it goes up, like I don't want to lose more. Okay, I want to lose less, but I want to make more, right? So
Yeah.
I'll ask you again, what should you do now?
Yeah, maybe sell it now because less loss.
Okay, cool, yeah, amazing. So I'll just close it. Okay, we take like
Yeah.
minus 14. That's good. Okay, Now I will add more candle and let's see what's going on. Okay, see, so that was a really wise decision. Like we only took minus
Yeah.
14. Otherwise, if we hold it, like we would have lost more, right? So
More, yeah.
that's great, right? Now I'll ask you again. What should we do? Should we buy it? Should we sell it? What should we do now?
Mm, buy it.
And what's the reason behind it?
I can see green.
Okay. What else can do you see?
Uh, I just feel like it's twice there is green, no red yet.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, cool. So let's buy it. Uh, let's buy zero point 0.1. And now what we will be doing is like instead of deciding in real time where we want to be, where we will take loss and where we will take profit, we will define it before time. Okay, like as we are entering the
Yeah.
trade, we will we will define, okay, if it goes below this candle, the previous one,
Yeah.
you see this one,
Yeah.
low of this one,
Yeah.
I will just take minus $83 loss. Okay, like it will automatically take loss. Like I don't have to
Mhm.
put I don't have to think or something much. Okay, so I'll just put it there. If it goes below that, it will take minus $83 loss. But if it goes up, where do you want to sell? Where do you
Ah,
want to take
okay.
profit?
Where in the sense like anywhere?
Yeah, you can take anywhere, like on this upside, because you bought, right? So in order to make profit, the price has to go up.
Mhm.
Mm.
Maybe wherever you have pointed up that
That till that far.
this.
Okay, so what you do is just like you take this one TP and then like you put it there. Okay, and click confirm. Right now, now I will just run it. Okay, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, it went down. So like we take a small loss and it exited our
Yeah.
trade. Right. So you understand what was going on, right? Um, so now, so far
Yes,
you
yes.
took take trade, right? Like now, uh, I will take trade. So like, let me design something. Okay. So far you are seeing this information only, the candle and volume,
Yeah.
and from that perspective, you are making decision. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if like I was talking like mathematics is the only exact science. Uh, you know,
Mhm.
So what we will be doing is like we'll be applying mathematics here, right? Like very easy, because what we are seeing, this is nothing but a graph. It's a graph. What
Mhm.
do I mean by that? So like suppose if
Yeah.
I turn the grid on, you see this grid is a
Mhm.
rectangle, right? So that's like something percentage. For instance, graph paper. You see this one here. See, this is graph paper. We have four quadrant, right? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And if you want a point there on the curve, this is the curve of y equals to x square. No, no, it's like yeah, x equals to y
Ex-
square.
Yes.
Where it is? No, it is actually a curve of like exponential curve. Sorry, the exponential curve, right? This is how it goes. Sorry, like that.
Yes.
So what is important is that like wherever the two lines meet, okay, vertical and horizontal, there that's a point. Okay, so see here it meets there, so that's one by one,
Mhm.
one by one, right? Here it's like two
Yeah.
by two. This is three by three, right?
Right.
Right, so like you can actually see that, right? And if I plot this, only this one, so what we see, this this is the, yeah, this is the curve, right? Sorry, so this
Yeah.
line will go like this is a straight line. So y equals to x, right? Because see, x comma y, x and y are both
Mhm.
same. That's the straight line, right? Um, for which the angle is 45 degree. Hang on, like let me just draw it again so that you can see it clearly. Let's just draw it here.
Okay.
I will have it here, a quadrant, okay?
Yeah.
This, then uh, I will midpoint there, and then there, it a midpoint is here. Okay. So uh, we see, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So
Yeah.
now I can draw it. Now, like here you see I draw horizontal line there, 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 and there, and then I draw vertical line.
Uh-huh.
So what we are doing is like we are actually constructing a graph, okay, so that we can actually locate the location of price where it is in the graph. You understand?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is our point of origin, right? And
Mhm.
um, so this is one, two, three, four, five, vertical one, two, four, five. I'm only drawing for one first quadrant because price is always positive and like uh, and so we only talk in first quadrant, okay?
Yeah.
And so as we were saying, right? So like if I have this point here, this point here, this point, this point, and this point, how do we construct line in graph paper? I'm asking like how do we construct a line in graph paper?
Oh yeah. Uh, I think yeah we go from the point here at zero.
Hmm.
Yeah. So we can go to maybe till five also.
Yeah. So it's basically when we connect 2 points, we get a line. You know.
Yeah. Yes. Y
Yeah.
and X.
So see this once I connect this 2.00 and 1, 1, I get this line, right?
Yeah.
So this is the unit vector. That's what we call it.
Mm-hmm.
In mathematics, like this is unit vector. Like the length is one,
Mm-hmm.
height is one, and all this stuff. And once you get, well, if you want to take the length of this, like you get a square root of 2 there, right?
Yeah.
The Pythagoras theorem, right? 1, 1,
Mm-hmm.
square root of 2. So that's like your square, and like the length of this line is square root of 2, right? Now
Yes.
I so I can extend this line to like infinity, like because this is the equation of line where y equals to x.
Mm-hmm.
Y equals to x. Okay. Um, and the angle that they made, what's the angle between them? Like when I say y equals to x, what's the slope of this? You know the equation of line, right? Y equals to mx plus c. So
MX here.
y is your y coordinate, x is your x coordinate, m is what? Come on. What is M?
I forgot.
It's slope. Okay. And C is your
At that time,
intersection. Yeah, yeah. No problem. Like it's just very simple. Like the slope is nothing but like it's like uh, height versus base. So you take like y by x, um, you know, and tangent of it basically.
uh-huh.
Tangent of y by x, right? So that's your slope. Okay, that's where we call like tan theta or something. And tangent is basically height. Uh, uh, then your theta, the angle, it's gonna
Yeah.
be so it's basically it's like your yeah. I don't want to get like too deep into mathematics. Just know that like what
Mhm.
the angle they are making. So this is so 1045. What is 1045 degrees? Like your one. Okay, 1045 is
Okay.
one because they are making 45 degree. Okay, because how do you know they are making 45 degree? You see, this one is 90 degree. We all know what 90 degree is, right? This
Yeah.
angle is 90 degree.
Yeah.
Okay, and if I divide it into half, okay, if I divide it into half and connect this, see parallel
Yeah.
line there. You see these
Uh-huh.
are parallel line. Okay, this is also y equals to mx, but
Yeah.
uh, but here we have intersection. Intersection is what? If I take +5 here, this is -5, right? Suppose.
Mm-hmm.
So the line of this equation will be y equals to x and plus c, which is -5, x minus 5. So this is y equals to x
Yeah.
minus 5. This is y equals to x. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this line is dividing this angle into two equal parts, which is 90 by 2 is
45.
45 degree. Okay, so this is the basic principle of how we construct chart, how we monitor chart basically. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
as we have this graph, okay, now we can just plot the chart into it and like see how is what it's doing. So suppose it is started here, it goes up 2 points. Okay, it comes down 1 point, right? You get it.
Yeah.
Now it might go 1 point again, it can come 2 points down, right?
Uh,
Then it can go 1 point, 3 points, 1 2 3. You see, one is square, two is square, three is square, so that's
yeah.
3 points, right? It can
Mm.
come to it. Suppose it came down 1 point, right? Suppose it goes two
Yeah.
point again. So no, three square, 1 2 3 square, and then it comes to 1 point down. Okay, and then it
Mm-hmm.
goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up. Suppose now the progression goes like this, so you understand, right, like what's going on here.
Yeah.
So this is how we can like construct a mathematical graph of the chart. Okay, before this we were just looking the chart as this, like uh, just this, you see, there's not much information there. But uh, if I have the lines and stuff, you see, like this, then I
Yeah.
can tell, okay, what's going on. Suppose I anchored it here on the low one. You see how it is like anchored.
Yeah.
Now it's going two
Yes. Yes.
points
Yes.
up, then it coming down, goes up there, and then it comes down there. You see, it takes support on this one,
Mm-hmm.
0. You see, this
Mm-hmm.
one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Then it goes up 3 squares, comes down 2, goes up, rests there, and then comes down. Now I will actually run the chart, okay, and then you will see what's going on. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
see, we should have actually bought it there. We should have bought it. Let me just buy it, because why we want to buy it. Uh, let me actually go back. Uh, Let's just do it from the start, okay? It's good, right? Like we are visualizing like what's
Yeah,
going on, you know.
fun. Yeah.
So let's just see, okay? Now, what I call it, no, like see, this is. Hang on, I'll give me 2 minutes, okay? I'll be back, okay?
Yeah, yeah. You okay?
Yeah, yeah, I'm good. Like I just needed to go to a washroom. That's it.
Okay.
So I'll run it, okay? And you can
Mm.
tell me like where you wanna buy and where you wanna sell, okay? Now, like
Okay.
let me ask you this, like what? Let's think before what we're gonna do, okay? So far, like if we wanna buy, where do we wanna buy? We wanna buy at cheap price, okay? And we can buy at
Mm.
higher price as well if we are confident that the market is gonna go up. So, for instance, suppose if the market is resting on this y equals to x line, right? This that's
Uh-huh.
actually dividing it into two equal parts, right? That see you see this square here is dividing into two
Yeah,
equal
yeah.
triangle, okay? Yeah, you can see it, okay? Now, uh, what's how will you categorize it if it's going up or if it's in the downside? How would you categorize it? So let me
Mm.
give you a hint, okay? So if it is above this line, okay, this y equals to x line, would you be open to think that okay the price is gonna go up, right?
Yeah.
Right? Because it is above y equals to x, meaning you see why it should go up because for every x, okay, the y is increasing. You know what I mean? No. So for instance,
Yes,
check this
yes.
out. Okay. So see if I get this point, okay, if I get this point, what I see is like x is one, y is two, right? Isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? If I get this
Yes.
point, x is one, y is three. If I get this point, x is two, y is three. You
Three. Yeah.
see, so y is
Yes.
increasing above this line. Okay.
Uh-huh.
If I go below this line, what I see x is this point x is 2 y is 1, right? This point x is
Mm-hmm.
3 y is 1, this point x is
Yeah.
3 y is 2, so y is decreasing below that line. you know
Yeah.
uh, you, you know what I mean? So like so from these simple tactics what we come to conclusion is that okay, if the market is above this line above this 45-degree line, we can say market is
Yeah.
uptrending, you know, for obvious
Ah,
reason,
okay.
right? Because we know the point of
Mm.
it's increasing, right? Like yeah. And when the market is below this line, we can tell that okay, market is not uptrending, market is not increasing. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But the market is very cheap. Market is decreasing. If we want to buy, we can buy it at low price. uh,
Okay.
yeah, around here, uh, around this, right? So just very simple strategy is that okay, if the market is around this line, if it is going above this line, I will buy it. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
if suppose the mark comes here, I will buy it. I will take profit around there or there or there, right? If it comes to this one, x where x is zero, like for instance, this is our reference line. Okay, if it comes here, I will
Yeah.
buy it and I will sell it on that line, that 45-degree line. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's go and like see what's going on. Okay. So you just I'm gonna put candle just one every 2 second, and like you can tell me where to stop and tell me your reasoning, what you want to do, whether you want to buy or sell, and then we'll do it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put candle there. So see, it's above this line, right? So it's basically increasing. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Makes sense.
So see, now it's transitioning into below that line, right?
Below, yeah. Yeah, below.
So yeah, so the obvious reason would be to go down, but see after that the market just went up, right? So that's basically bullish. Let's just add more candle and you think what's going on, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. You see, it was resting on that line. It was resting on that line where y equals to x, meaning y is what? Price, right?
Price, yes.
And time is what? X is what? Come on. X is time,
Huh.
right?
This
So
is price.
y equals to x is where time equals price equals time. I know it's hard to like interpret how come time and price can be equal, you know. It's a
Mm-hmm.
right, but like just see it from the mathematics perspective, okay? Like we are
Okay.
saying
Yeah.
in 1 unit of time it's moving this much amount, okay?
Okay, okay.
In 2 unit of time it's moving this much amount, right? So this is what, so like as long as the market is above this line y equals to x, that means price is ahead of time, right?
Yeah.
Right, that means the price is going to go up, okay? If it is
Yes.
below that one, below y equals to x, that means price is less than time, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's why it was going down. So let me add more, and you have to take at least one trade, okay, till this point, okay? So like
Okay.
you can just stop me whenever you want and like tell me what you want to do, okay?
Okay.
So it's coming down, came down there.
Mm-hmm.
To see as it broke down below, it is resting there. Now it goes up there. A bit it goes down. You
Mm-hmm.
see, so the market,
Okay.
as it was below that line, it was going down, right? Like yeah.
Yeah.
So see, it came to that point, the one unit of this one. See this one,
Mm-hmm.
two, three, four, and then it goes up from there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then it comes down,
Oh, my God.
right?
Yeah.
It comes to the
So
zero line,
down.
our reference line. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's actually one of the best time to buy if you want to buy it, right? Because we are actually buying it for zero price. I mean, like not zero, but like very cheap price. Okay,
Yeah.
so like for instance, if I give you three options to buy here, buy here, buy here, or buy here, where you want to buy it, like if you want to make most of the profit, right? The order should be I will buy
Yeah.
at zero, then I can buy it at one,
Mhm.
then I can buy it at two,
Yeah.
then I can buy it at three, right?
Yeah.
Suppose so I'll ask you what you want to do here.
I buy, right?
Yeah, yeah, of course we can buy it, yeah. So see, like um now what we can do is like this line what we had y equals to x minus 5. See this one,
Yes.
y equals to x
Yeah.
minus 5. So what we did, we actually draw the parallel line of that below this,
Mm-hmm.
right? Below this axis. What we can do now is like we can also draw parallel line from there. And why my pen is not working? One, two, three, four, five. Suppose, right? Now what I can do is like um, I can draw a parallel line, right? Like from this point, I can draw that line.
Yeah.
You see this parallel line? It's going from one, and I'll color it black. Yeah, from two, right? Connect two to two, right?
Oh.
That's our parallel
Yeah.
line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we can connect three, and like let me actually write the name of it. I think one, one, two, three, four. Why is it not working? I don't know, man. Like you can get the idea, right? What's going on there?
Yeah, yeah, I got
So
it. Yeah.
from three to three, we connect three to three, right? We connect four to four,
Yes.
right? And the five to five is already there. So like, let me just draw this one
Mhm.
here, right? So this.
Mm,
So this line is also going 1 unit of time for 1 unit of price, but upsloping, right? It's 45-degree
mm,
angle.
yeah.
And so now I'll ask you like what you want to do when, okay. So like what you want to do now? See this candle, it actually just touched this one, right? This line,
Yeah.
right? So we can what we want to do, what we can do here, it's like around zero, and it's actually on our line. So what we can do?
We can buy.
Yeah, okay, let's buy it. Uh, let's buy this much, and
Okay.
uh, where you want to put your stop loss, meaning like when you're wrong, you can just sell it and take loss.
Okay.
And hang on. So, yeah, okay, yeah. So let's just put 1 unit below, like below that line, okay? 1 unit
Okay.
below that line, okay? You see this one, this
Okay.
1 unit that's going
Yeah, yeah.
there, here, right?
Yeah. Between this.
So I'll just put it there. So if we lose, we take minus 66 loss, okay? But if we
Yeah.
want to win, where should I take profit? Now we have this all this line, okay? We know like y equals to x is the strongest line. You see this one? Uh,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
so where would you like to take profit?
Anywhere up.
Anywhere up, right? So like we can take
Mhm.
either 1 unit up, or either 2 unit up, or either 3 unit
Yeah.
up, or either
Three.
4 unit up.
Three.
So we see that 4 unit. Yeah, we can take three on this one as well. Um, let's take on the three one then. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
so see, we are risking minus $66 in order to make $240,
Okay.
right? So if we divide 240 by 66, what we get? This is what we get. We when we divide 244 by 240 by 66, what we are getting 3.63. Okay, so that's the
Yeah.
ratio. That's the ratio. So we are risking one unit of risk, and we are getting three times of what we are risking. Right. So it's a
Risky.
good deal.
Okay.
It's a good deal, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm just gonna put it now. See, it's going up now, going up, and we hit our profit. You see, it hit our profit there,
Ah,
and
yes. Yes.
right. So this was very optimal trade, and as soon as it hit our profit, the market just came down, right? You see, so we can actually see that trade here. You see this trade that we made.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made $240, right? And this is what I mean, like where it entered the trade, you see, we entered it here,
Uh-huh.
we entered it here. You see this like up arrow, and we
Yes.
sold it there, right?
Okay.
So that's what the profit we made, and this is what trading is. You see, like if I remove this, it's like what we were seeing so far. Like you see, like every time we were adding candle, we weren't seeing much, like
Mm-hmm.
because we hadn't constructed a chart, like the graph of right. As soon as we constructed a
Exactly.
graph, we almost knew like what to do, like what's going to happen. We already knew it,
Yes.
right? Uh, so this was our chart, right? And now I'll just play it out, okay? Just watch
Yes.
and enjoy. See, it went up, down, up. Now it's actually fun, like once you have map of the market, then you can actually navigate it very easily. You know, uh, you know what
Yeah.
I mean? Like, yeah. Hang on, actually it was anchored here. Sorry, it was
Mhm.
anchored here. This line. Let me just draw the parallel line here. From 4 to 4, we connected it, right? Um, was more, yeah. Yeah. So you get it what I was saying, right? Like how the market moves and stuff, right?
Yes, yes. It's
Yeah,
fun, yeah.
yeah. So this is what I discovered, like after I found this, like because with mathematics, like we I know without mathematics we are lost basically. Like imagine like everything
Mm-hmm.
right now is like we do need mathematics to solve certain problem, like because you need to know where are those points and how do we know those points from the graph. We are constructing this like uh, what is lens. Okay, we are constructing this like model of market where we know what the coordinate of price is and what the coordinate of time is, right?
Yeah.
So far it's clear now. Like if you have any question, please ask.
No, no, I understood this very nicely.
Okay, okay, cool.
Especially the graph made it easy.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So now let me teach you this one tool, and then like we can actually set up on your mobile training you and stuff, and
Yeah, yeah.
then you can practice, okay, later on.
Okay.
So this is the box tool that we need. Okay, this box here. What you do is like we will just put it here, and we can construct
Hmm.
a box like that. And I'll
Oh.
tell you this setting here. Let me remove the background there. That four quadrant. Uh, why they have background color? No color. All are black.
Mhm.
So in a moment, I'll ask you to share your mobile screen and then install TradingView. Okay.
I have installed it already.
Okay. Have you signed it already as well?
No,
Signed
no, I
in?
didn't sign in.
Okay. Then we'll have to do that. So check this out. This is box, right?
Yeah.
You can see like 1 unit, right? So if you want to draw so like let me actually So this is what we did, right? We put it here, and then let's just take 1 unit. Um, so suppose this was our anchor point, um,
Mhm.
and 1 unit is, suppose I'm taking this as 1 unit, okay? This low to this low,
Mhm.
you see this one from there to here, that's my 1/4,
Yes.
you know.
Oh,
Okay, now what I want to do, I want to draw a line which connects this to this. Okay,
mm.
you see all these points are connecting, this is y equals to x line, right?
Yes.
Now I can draw the half of that angle, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If I draw half of that angle, what it would look like, you know, it will connect the half of this half like this. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, we connect
Yeah, like
this
acute angle.
to half of that. Yeah, acute angle, exactly. Okay, and we can do the same here as well. We can draw the twice of that angle, right?
Okay.
2 times of that, and also 4 times of that as well, like, you know, from here to here, this, right? And from there to there, this. So now we have all the angle, right? See,
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
so what we say, this one is your 1 by 1 angle, right? That's 45 degree.
Yeah.
45 degree, that's your like this is half angle, right?
Mm.
On half, this is 1/4, right?
Mm.
And
Yeah.
this is your 2 times of that angle, and this is 4 times of that angle, right?
Yes.
Okay, so um, now we can just observe and see what's going on. Okay, what we saw, let me actually say, um, okay, so we do need, like, till this point of the time we do need the data. Okay, you see, till
Okay.
this, to
Okay.
this point we just established our first unit. Okay, this is our first unit,
Yeah.
first quadrant one. Okay, now we can go and see what's going on. Okay, now we add more candles. See, it's resting, it's resting on this one, this angle, right?
Mm.
one
Yes. Yes.
fourth then goes to the half, and then goes about to the 1 by 1. And let me make it thick, this one. Okay, so that we know this is like 1 by 1 is
Yeah.
2 by 1, this is 4 by 1. Okay, this is
Yeah.
1/4 here, and let me just put 1 by 1. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now it is about that. Now I'll add more candle. Okay, and you'll see how easy it is to see the market. Now we already know, if the market is above 1 by 1, we know that the market is uptrending. Okay, it's going up. All right,
Yes.
yeah. When it is below 1 by 1, it is gonna take, uh, you know, it is gonna rise from these acute angles, like, I mean, these angles. Okay, uh, half, half of 45 degrees, 22.5 degrees. Half of 22 is
Yeah.
like, you know, 11.5 degrees. Twice of
Yeah.
45 degree is your 90 degree,
90.
right?
Yeah.
But this, we are taking twice of these, right? Like from here to here. So it's basically, yeah, you can just see it, right? So we are connecting this to this. That's your half. That's covering what
Mm.
it's doing. You see, like, what it's doing is it's covering this area. Okay, we are covering this area, this triangle. You see,
Oh, okay.
and what it is that, like, it's actually moving for 1 unit of time. Okay, it's moving 2 units of price. You see, here
Mm-hmm.
x
Mm-hmm.
x value is 0.25, here y value is 0.5. So what it is, 0.25, 0.5, right? So if I multiply 0.25 by 2 with 2, we get 0.5. So this line is moving twice of what x is. You know,
Yeah.
uh, you get it, right? This line is moving
Yeah.
4 times of what x is, which is like in 1 unit of time, it is moving 4 units of price,
Price
right?
exactly.
Yeah. This line is it's moving in 1 unit of time, it's moving 2 times the price. Okay. This line is same for 1 unit of time, it's moving 1 unit of price, right? This line here,
Yeah.
that's your y equals to x. And this line, this one, it's moving for 1 unit of time. Okay. uh, Time is this. Okay, like this is how we measure the time. So like from here to there, I put a cycle there, you see, cycle. And so this is what we are seeing, the 4 unit of time, 4 unit of price there, like, right? So you can see here the y value is this much. Here for this one the y value is here, 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 here. And for this line the y value was this, right? So for 2 unit of time, it's moving half, it's moving 1 unit of price, right?
Yeah,
See,
exactly. Yeah.
2 unit of time, it's moving 1 unit of price. So if I take this two, divide both of side by two, what I get for 1 unit of
Mm.
time, it's moving half the price. Did you get it?
Yes. Yep.
Right? That's why it's half angle, you know. And the same goes for
Uh,
this one. So this, like, for 1 unit of time, it's moving 1/4, right? So
uh-huh.
see, uh, this is 4 unit of time, one, two, three, four, and this is like your this, right? That's why, like, see here, it's like here it's denoted as 1, right? And this is 0.25,
Yeah.
so that's your like 1 by 4 basically, right? So that's
Four.
what those
Exactly.
angles are. Okay, it's very intuitive, and like it's very easy, like that's the best part, it's very easy to see it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me add more candle, and now we will take another trade. Okay, so one trade was
Okay.
profitable. Now we will take another trade, and this is all you. Okay, like you will tell me where to stop. I will stop it. We'll put one trade. We'll see that
Mm-hmm.
trade. If it works out, it's good. Doesn't work out, it's also good. Like, we will be practicing anyway. So like, yeah. So I'm just gonna
Okay.
move very slowly, and you let me know where to stop, and like we'll take a trade. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So another candle. Then so should I just move on, or like do you have something in mind?
No, I think we should move.
Okay. So no, I mean, like you should let me know, okay, where to stop so that we can take a trade, okay, till this point, okay? Or
Till
like,
where?
yeah, we
Okay.
till this point we can also move like to infinity. You see, like this line goes till infinity, so
Oh,
don't worry, okay? Yeah, we can
oh
use
my
those
God.
exact we can use those exact line for to take trade in the future as well. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll add more candle
And now
there.
we
You
can take.
see.
Oh,
Okay.
just
Okay.
before
So
that, when the red one.
yeah, I moved very fast. Sorry. So where you want to take trade?
Uh, oh, where's the red one? Yeah, yeah,
This
maybe
one,
this one.
or should I add more?
No, no,
This
add
one?
more.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
yeah, this.
Okay. So I'll buy here. We'll buy zero point 0.1 contract. And where you wanna, like, take loss and take profit?
Uh, loss maybe not much down. Maybe
Below this one?
yeah,
Good.
this. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, cool. And profit, let's just run the profit now. What we will be doing is like,
Okay,
okay, so right now it's about this line, okay, this line, right? It's about that
okay,
line.
okay. Yeah.
So as long as it's above that line, suppose it's moving like this, okay, suppose it's moving, um, suppose from here it moved like that, right? So it is
Uh-huh.
it is still above this line, right? So we will actually, we
Yes.
will see, okay, if it goes below that line, then we will exit the trade, or as it goes up more, right, then we will
Okay,
take
okay.
this one, this line as our, like, like we will exit if it closes below that, like, as it moves
Okay.
on certain quadrant and stuff. And if it is goes above, and then like we will take this line as our, like, trailing
Mhm.
stop loss. We call it trading stop. Basically we are moving with
Okay.
the market, going flow with the market, okay.
Yeah.
So let's see, what I will be doing, although, is like, let's just put our take profit there. That's our maximum
Okay.
profit that we want to take. I mean, not maximum,
Yeah.
but like, let's just see. And I'll tell you what I mean, okay. So see,
Yeah.
it goes above this one, right, above this line,
Yeah.
this one half. So what I will be doing, I'll go there and I will add a alert, okay, add
Yeah.
alert on
Okay.
this line. Where is the alert? What? Anyway, yeah, there's no alert in replay mode anyway. Yeah, so let's
Mhm.
just go. We see now, see, we are in like $253 in profit, right? Now as it
Yeah.
moves up, right, now we can actually put our stop loss to break even, right? We can just put it there,
Mhm.
like slightly above our opening price, so that if it goes down, we just, like, take $10 profit, we don't lose anything,
Okay.
right? So that's a good deal, right? Like we entered the trade, taking $66 loss, $60 loss. But as
Mhm.
it moved in our favor, we moved our stop loss to $10, meaning no matter what happens now, I will be making profit $10, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just add more candle. See, it came to that line, y equals to x, and then from
Yeah.
there, this big candle, right? So like you will see, like most often, like, and what happened here, you see this candle, this red candle,
Mhm.
it came to this
Yeah.
half angle exactly there, and then went up exactly to the point, you see, the lowest point, right? So so see, like what market is, no, it's actually tracing this graph live, okay. It's
Yeah.
not doing much, it's just also tracing this graph, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So now we can go and see, okay, see. See, now see, it came to this point, and then from here it went up this unit, and if it comes down around
Mhm.
here, it will have big change to the upside, okay. See, now we moved on to the third cycle, okay. You see, first, second, third quadrant of
Oh
X,
my
right?
God. Mhm.
So now it's going up, you see, from here to here.
Yeah.
Came there, comes down there, and then we'll see what happens. Resting on the y equals to x, comes down there. You see, we made $539 profit. It hit our profit, and from there it just came down, right? To see what happened, like, see,
Oh.
to see what happened was, like, see this trade on long trade. we made $539. You see. So yeah, this is what trading is. Like we are we are just putting our graph
Mm.
and let the market come to the point where we want to buy. See, it's coming on this point, right? So we can buy on this
Yeah.
line. If it comes there, gives us good signal, you see, and then we can buy it
Yeah.
again and like take profit on the next, y axis and stuff.
Yeah.
So what was the important point was that like x, y, right? And we are basically constructing a square. You see, this is square, this is square, this is square, this is square. This four
Yeah.
square makes one square. Okay, and that's like this is your cycle one. You see this cycle one? That's what we need. We just need one cycle to establish our chart. Then it can go up. You see, like now it's going up, and you will see this. It's gonna follow this angle, these trend lines.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, we'll see. If you had noticed, like it was actually following this trend line. You see here. Above. I will speed things up a little bit. See, it just came to there, and from there it goes up, right, a little bit, and then again it
Yes.
came down. So now just observe what it's doing in the line. You see, came to the line
Yeah.
and boom. The, so see, like it's giving us this like line in the future where we want to buy or where we want to sell. So if I had bought here, I would be selling on this line, and it's moving as the price moving. So this was the very really good advantage to us. We know that okay, as the price is moving, our line is also moving. So it's dynamic, like it's moving with the price, which is really cool. Okay,
Mm.
so
Yeah.
this is where we would have bought it. I remember when the
Mhm.
price was here, I was telling, okay, if it comes to this line, we will buy it. It didn't came, so we
Yeah.
waited. It came down, so this is where we would have bought it. Okay,
That's it, exactly.
right? So let's just observe now. Okay, imagine if it goes up there, we will take profit, and like we'll see. See, it came there, it came there, and from there it came down. So see, that's
Down.
where we
Yeah.
will take profit, right? Yeah. Let me just speed it up more, and then like you can see what's going on there. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is the current trade now. So see, like if like yeah, 8 days. So this is actually last week's data. Okay, if we had traded from the starting from the last week, this is what we had seen.
Yeah.
You see,
Okay.
it's cool, right? Like now we can know where the market is going, and like where it will stop and where we should take profit and stuff. So let me know what your thoughts are, and like what do you think, and yeah, what did you learn,
I liked it so much.
right?
Oh.
Yeah, so this is how actually, see, I did a lot of research, okay, like
Uh-huh.
learning from this, that, like literally once I saw this, like and really got into the mathematics of it, like I was like, whoa, yeah, man, like this is how the market works, like and
Yes.
yeah, so this is what yeah, this is our graph. Okay, this is the graph that market will follow. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So now you can do the practice as well, and I'll tell you what to do. And after setting up trading view, I will give you um, bonus example of this, like how it is 3D, like how this structure is 3D. Like so far we saw it
Mm.
as like 2D model, right? So far we saw it as 2D model,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we will see like why the market is 3D. Because see, if it's 2D, like
Mm.
there's, how do I put it? See, like this is the example. Okay, like we human perceive 3D. We are 3D structure. Okay, like we have
Yes.
height, length, width, right? Now there's fourth dimension, which is time, which tells us our age. Time is the
Mm.
dimension which tells us our age, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So so if you see, like, if I tell you, like, every year what we do, we put a layer of surface, like, in in board you studied 3D geometry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, like, in 3D geometry, what we have instead of line, we have surfaces. Line is nothing but an intersection of two plane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I send this, like, spoiler alert to you. You see, like,
Yeah.
this is the best example. You see, like, on the background is white here, and it is the background of chart. So, like, it is looking
Mm.
similar as like 3D, but not much as 3D. But if you see this one, you see,
Yeah.
it actually have the feel of 3D. Instead of that, if I had sent you this one, you would say, like, instead of asking what is this, you would say, okay, it looks like 3D. It's something, right? Like, so
Yeah.
these lines, no, these lines, you see, one by one,
Yeah.
two by one, four by one, half, one fourth. These are the planes that you have on that 3D structure. You can imagine this as like
Uh,
3D structure. You know what I mean? Like, so for instance, if
yeah.
I hang on, if I if I draw this, suppose I draw from here to there, right? That, and then I draw a line. This is where fun begins. Like, like, once you see the things in like 3D structure, then we can relate it. Like,
That's funny.
like, yeah, we are human. Like, we are not ants. We are not in 2D plane. Like, so see, now it looks like 3D, right? Like,
Completely.
suddenly, yes, suddenly it makes sense. Like, in our human eye, now we can see it. Oh, like, that it does make sense. Like, and
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
right. So, like, you know what? Like, I think I should have done it like from above. Hang on. Like, let me just
Mm.
take screenshot of it because it's really good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Uh, so, let me actually construct it uh, from the origin point. Okay. Um,
Mhm.
what I'll be doing is, hang on, from the rectangle. So this is my origin. Uh, yeah, I need to go up one up above. Okay, so this is what I need to do. If I do it here, um, see this. Just imagine
Yes.
it's like above that, right there, and I'm actually making it as, like, like, the aspect of it is like, imagine this box is like, now we can also see it, right? We do see a 3D structure.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I need to put on this line there. Yep. Huh. So it goes from there to there. There we have it. There we have it, right? And that, so this, this, um, this line there, this line there. Here we already had it. And then I'll construct. Yeah, so now we can see it, right? It's like a 3D structure of it, and I'll draw a vertical line there, you know. Here, yeah, it actually messed it up. So I'll just remove it. You can see 3D structure, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So now what we see now, I'll actually put a plane there. Like, how do I put a plane there? Uh,
Mhm,
yeah, just imagine. Okay, this line, uh,
mhm.
this one by one line, it's actually dissecting the plane into two. Right? You see this one? Like, imagine it. I don't know how you
Uh-huh.
can do it, but like you can see it. It looks like first looks like 3D structure.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I
and
can do that.
yeah, yeah, and like once let's just do the properly. Like let's extend it to the upside here, and then we'll see the thing why I'm telling once you put into 3D structure, the pattern we will all automatically, our eyes will automatically see pattern. You know, that's
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. Yeah, so I'll draw a vertical line there. So uh, now we can see that, and so this is the plane that's dividing this rectangle into this cube, okay, into two
Mm-hmm.
equal parts. This line, half of that, it's dividing this, you can see like trapezoid or something, into two equal
Yes.
parts and stuff. And that's what it actually generate. Like, imagine this as your building, okay. Right now, see, look at the room you're in right now, okay. It's a cube.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's literally a
Yes.
cube. We are in a 3D structure. We are inside that
Uh-huh.
box. Okay, and
Yeah.
think of yourself as like market. Okay, like think of yourself
Yeah.
as price. Okay, now you can see, like, if we divide that room into like this, into four equal parts, and that, like, if we put a ceiling into, like, imagine right now I'm
Yeah.
sitting, you're also sitting, right? Suppose on my above my head I have this ceiling, okay, ceiling, right? And then I put
Yes.
two plane again above that, okay, one again above, one again above. So this is right now, imagine I'm sitting here, right? So I'm sitting here in my chair, okay.
Yeah.
This is the first ceiling, this is the second ceiling, this is the third, this is the fourth. And uh, right now I'm in fourth floor. And which floor do you live in right now?
Third floor.
Third floor, right? So this is your floor, okay. I'm in fourth floor. I live in
Uh,
fourth floor, okay. So like you're in third floor,
okay.
so you might be somewhere around that, okay. Imagine the people who are in second floor, imagine the people who are in first floor, imagine the people who are in ground floor, okay. So,
Yeah.
like, now imagine yourself, like, from the third floor, right? Like, okay, this is your hair. I didn't do it.
I say, are you?
Sorry. What? No, no. I mean, like, I was just like drawing something, right? Like, anyway, um, just imagine, this is third floor, okay? Now imagine you going down the elevator, okay, going
Mm.
outside, and once you come, either you take stair, either you take elevator, okay. Suppose you take stair, okay. So these are staircases. Imagine this, okay. These lines are
Yes.
staircases. You see, this is first stair, this is second floor, this is third floor, this is fourth
Uh-huh.
floor, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm here, I'll just, like, suppose the market is what we are entering from there on this first floor, zeroth floor. Then
Yeah.
it goes up,
Yeah.
right? It goes to the first floor. So what we see in the first floor, a ceiling, it hit the ceiling, right? So that's what we
Yes.
call resistance. Because like from there, like if you jump above the ceiling, like you will break your head, you will come down, like imagine throwing a ball on the upside, it will come down, right?
Yes.
So that's what it is, like, it goes to that staircase, and then it goes there, like, and then you remember what we do, like, once we go up one, like, first floor, then we have to take a turn and then go to the again stair,
Yes.
go to
Yeah.
the stair,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Then we again take a turn, and then we go to the next stair, right?
Correct. That's
Then we
true.
take again that turn, and then we go to the next stair, right? In order to go
Yes.
up or something, right? So this is what it's doing. This is exactly what it is, like, we are seeing it in 3D structure. That's it. Like, it's nothing more than that, you know. Like, once you imagine that,
Mhm.
okay, first stair is there, then we go there. Okay, it didn't go much up because we hit the first floor. Suppose, like, it goes up, because as we go up the stairs, we drain some energy, we do rest a bit. Like,
Yeah.
what I remember, like, when I go to the first floor, I go slowly to take a round circle, like, I mean, detour, so that I can go to the second floor, right? Slowly, a bit slowly, to take a breath and stuff. And that's what market is doing as well, you know so it goes here, it rests a bit, then it goes to the next stair. It didn't go up, so it goes to the next stair, like, and then it goes up and then
Yes.
up, right? So you can see it, right? So what's the ideal structure would look like, is what the ideal structure would
Yes.
look like, for this is that, like, okay, if it goes up, so this is very ideal. Okay, this is the ideal condition. Goes to the second floor, comes, takes this stair, goes to the third floor, takes this stair again, goes to the fourth floor,
Mhm.
right? Takes this stair again, but it didn't go up. Instead, from fourth floor, there's no floor there above. Like, for me, there's only a terrace. So I go down, right? I come down from the stair in order to go down,
Yeah.
right? If I
Yeah.
Right. So now you can imagine, if I come down, I can take an elevator as well, right? Instead of taking staircase, I take elevator from there, right? And I
Exactly.
go to
Yeah.
the fourth floor again. Now, instead of taking elevator, I come to the staircase. I take the staircase from here. You see this line? Now I take the
Yeah.
staircase and I go very, like, really good, because see, elevator doesn't guarantee that either we're gonna reach or not. Elevator doesn't guarantee that. Why? It happens like, once you go in elevator and suddenly electricity is gone, then what you do, you're stuck there basically, right? So this is what it is. You take the elevator, it did take you to the fourth floor, which is good, right? But it
Yeah.
didn't guarantee that it's going to take you to the next floor, or, like, to the heaven or something. It's not like. That's why, like, like, if you have seen the picture of, like, staircase to heaven, they don't draw an elevator, they draw a staircase, because you can support your foot there and go step by step. So this is what it is, like, we take a stair and then we go upside again,
Yeah.
and now you can see that pattern repeating again and again, so this is what it is. All
Exactly.
right. Yeah. So you can see all each of this cycle, as like different level in time. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I mean, that's it. Like, I think I can add more animation.
Nice.
You see, now it's looking as like time. You can see it as like, you remember, like, once we put our books on, like, shelf, this is how it looks like. You see, imagine this
Yeah.
is this is one book, this is second book, this is third book and stuff, right?
Wow. Looks
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, I can tell you can enjoying yourself. This is really good, right? Like it's cool. You're
Yeah,
visualizing
like
it. Yeah, yeah,
really.
yeah, yeah. So this is you can see like just go back a little bit, like go back like 2 3 step, and you can see this chart. Now go see this chart. I'm also going back and seeing this chart. Now
Okay.
you can see it a bit differently now, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, let's do this exercise. Like go as close as possible to the chart where you can see it. Okay,
Oh,
I mean
okay.
on your screen, obviously. For
Yeah.
me, it's a chart. Now, what I will do, I will go back 2 3 steps back. You see, it's revealing itself. The structure is revealing itself.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
there is this like segment, and you can see it as like building a block of building where there's like
Yes.
first floor, second floor, third floor, and then in that block you have like um, like different rooms and stuff, right? So this is what it is, Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry, I got into the flow. Um, yeah, so now you can see it, right? Now, if anybody asks, like you can actually explain what the market is.
Yeah, we must.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I mean, this is it, like, and let's set up your account on like TradingView, and then I'll tell you
Yeah.
what, um, and I'll actually send this PDF to you, all this PDF. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, don't be out of memory, man. Where do I save it? Out of luck. Anyway,
Hmm.
can I save the project? Amazing. I can save the project. J volume, I saved it, right? Volume J.
Hmm.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Um, yeah, let's share your screen on WhatsApp, and then I'll guide you. Okay.
Okay.
I don't see your screen.
I am doing that. Mm.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay, cool.
done. I have. Why it's not getting open?
You have like internet problem? What?
No, no, I don't have internet problem, but my percentage is 6. The phone percentage, that is why it's.
Okay.
Can you see this?
Yeah. So yeah, go to that the two people you see on the bottom.
Yeah, community. Okay.
Community. No, okay. On the right one, the three dots, the hamburger. Yeah,
Uh,
the three layer you have no.
hamburger.
Just yeah, the right one. Yeah, we really call it hamburger symbol.
Oh, this? Okay.
Click on that one. Yeah, go to sign it with Google. Sign up with Google. Yeah, click on Google.
So, I have my all friends Gmail, but that's okay, right? She's not using it.
Ah, okay, cool.
Uh, Just 1 minute, I'll get my charger because it's not working. I don't know.
Ah, okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, click on continue.
Yeah, because I have two phones, and this phone has her account. That's why.
Ah, okay. No problem. We just like after signing, we just need to see the chart, and I'll tell you which tool to use and stuff, and that's it. Okay. So on the bottom, go to the second option. You see this like line, graph line or something.
Chart?
Just click on that. Yeah, yeah, chart.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can actually opt in for like premium subscription for free for 1 month trial. So you can do it later. Uh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
I'll do it. Yeah.
So see, this is the chart
Ooh.
we see, right?
Yeah.
So this is
Yes.
the daily chart right now. So if you go to that like pen marker, you see the pen marker bottom on the bottom.
Mm, This.
Yeah, yeah. You can see all these drawing tool that we use, right? You see that ray for drawing the line
Um.
we used. So
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
just click on ray. Yeah, okay, do one thing. After clicking on ray, long press on ray, okay? Go
Okay.
back
Okay. I'll
again.
go back. Where is it? So.
Yeah, just press on that ray, yeah. Click on it. Oh, it's not happening, right? Okay, anyway, just draw it on the chart right now. Click 2 points and draw it. And any 2 point, just draw it. Okay.
I'm trying to.
Okay, now it got enabled again. Go there and long press on see see use a long tab to add the drawing tool to your favorites, right? So just press on the long press on the ray tool for a little
Mhm.
bit longer. Press and hold, and it will add it on your favorites. See, click on that star, right?
Okay.
So it will come on your chart automatically. Go scroll down,
Uh-huh.
scroll down again. Go down, scroll down on the drawing tool actually. Yeah, yeah. Go down. Yeah, yeah. Or you can search box. Just search box. It's much better there. Go up, search box. Box. Yeah,
This
GAN box.
gen
Yeah,
box.
long press. Yeah, long press on that. You didn't long press. Anyway, no problem.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
just
So.
just click somewhere. It will draw it, and then it will enable the drawing tool again. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
I'll go again and I'll do
yeah, yeah. Go
gen
again
box.
there. Box. Yeah, long press on GAN box. Yeah. All right. That's it. So now you can just remove all the and you can actually put zoom in, zoom out tool as well. So go to the drawing again. and put zoom in, zoom out tool, or you can just do it like this. You see, zoom in is there on the
Animation.
top. Zoom in is there on the top already. So yeah,
Oh, yeah, zoom in is.
long press again.
We have zoom.
Add it to the favorite. Is it not allowing you to add to the favorite?
Yeah,
No.
it just got zoomed in.
Ah,
That's
okay,
it.
no problem. So
No.
what you need to do is just practice what I told you right now. So instead of one
Yeah,
day,
yeah.
just put 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, one day put 1 hour. You see on the ICICI Bank, there's one day it's written there, right? Just click on it and it
Yeah.
will tell you time frame to select. So select 1 hour.
One day in the sense, where is it?
Um, you see on the bottom, it's written ICICI, right? Just
Yeah.
yeah, just there's one day written, right? 1D. Just written 1D, right?
Yeah.
Just click on it and click on 1 hour. You see, you can scroll down, scroll right, sorry, scroll right. It's selected 1 minute. Instead of 1 minute, just select 1 hour.
Okay, okay. No, no.
It's good, right? From mobile, you can trade from anywhere, That's the perks
Yeah,
of
yeah.
mobile. Yeah, yeah. I remember when I was traveling, on the south, like
Uh-huh.
I was using mobile to trade. Yeah. So see, one
Wow.
hour is selected now. What is the screen that I'm seeing
Yeah.
right now? The market close one. Okay. Yeah. So now zoom in, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Go to the bottom. See, right side, right side. Go to the right side.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. It's called right. Like, I mean, like, yeah, yeah, yeah. So do exactly what I told you. First, zoom in, like on the price axis, right? What you do
Yeah.
on the price axis first, like shrink it a bit. Then you can plot the box there. You can see on the
Uh-huh.
top there, the box and line is shown there. Ray and box tool is there, right? You see?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So just
Yes.
select two bottoms. Okay, select two bottoms. You can put first point on the first bottom, and then the
Okay.
okay. Yeah, just put it there right now. Leave it now,
Yeah.
and
Uh-huh.
click on the setting and put only 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. Go to the
Okay.
settings. Yeah, is it giving? Yeah. So uncheck 0.38, 0.618, 0. Yeah, uncheck those 0. Yeah, and make it all black. Okay, make all
Okay.
the
Okay.
colors black. 0, 0.25, 0.5, 1.
Oh no.
Go to the style again. Style.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And on the bottom, as you go, you will uncheck background colors and all this stuff.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
2 minutes. Mm-hmm. I have to give one as well.
Yeah, yeah, you have to keep one as well. Yeah. Now scroll down. Just put black color on every one of them. 0, 0.25, 0.5,
Yeah,
1.
that's
Yeah, yeah. And
okay.
yep. Now scroll down and select all those angles that I told you 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, all of those 0.38, 0.1618, remove those. Uncheck it.
Okay. Time levels, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
So I have to keep 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And also color it as black, you know. Mm. 0.5 you did, yeah. Yeah, and
Okay.
go scroll down and you see background, just uncheck it, background. Uncheck the background. Yeah, go down
Okay.
again, scroll down.
That's it.
That's
It's
it. Okay, then save it. Okay. Click OK.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Now you see the background color is still there. Yeah, anyway, you can leave the background. It's not that
yeah.
but yeah. So you see this box now. Now what you need to do is like as I told you on the example, no, like see the image that I showed you. So you put 0 and 0.25 into like two that I showed you know like um, as a one time unit. You know, you see this like okay. For
Mhm.
instance, check this out. Okay, go back a little bit on the chart. We need more data to put.
Um,
Yeah, you see on the
okay.
bottom. Yeah. Go on the bottom. Yeah. Go on the bottom. Yeah. Scroll up. Yeah. On more. Yeah, you see these two. Yeah, you see these two green weak. You see this like you know.
Yes.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
put 0 at 1 and 0.25 at 1. Just select the box tool now. Select the box tool first.
Okay.
Put 0 on the first one. On the first one. On the first one. Yeah. But take it to the lowest point of that.
Mm.
Take it to the lowest point. That point, take it to
Okay.
the
Okay.
lowest point.
Is this okay or more low?
Now the lowest of that green candle. Just put
Oh
that
yeah. It doesn't matter.
the lowest of that green candle and put that one 0 to there. No, like you're actually doing it. Yeah. Okay, hang on.
Mm.
See, you are actually putting 1 to there. So just do one thing. Right now, you have your hand on your phone, right? So just
Yeah.
put that point to the upside first. Take it to the
Okay.
upside first. Now you have 0 at the bottom, right? You have 0 at the bottom. No,
Mhm.
take
Yeah.
it to the right as well. Take it to the right. Take it to the right as
Yeah.
well. Yeah. See, now you have 0 at the bottom. You see? Take
Yeah.
that 0.
Yeah.
Take that 0 to the origin point. Put the origin at the lowest of. Just click it right now and leave it. Click it on the right. Leave
Okay.
it. Click first. Leave it and see. You see this the 2 point. Yeah. So on the bottom one 0, I want you to take it on the green uh, green low point. Don't you see it? The lowest
Yeah.
of the green.
Yeah.
Yeah. So take that 0 and put it there. Yeah. The
Is
0
it there?
point. No. Take the 0. You see that like blue O, this blue point,
Yeah. Yeah.
0. Take
Yes.
that point and put it on the green of that line. You see that green line, big green line. Just take it, put it on the bottom of that, so that
Okay.
they,
Okay.
so that it aligns there. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. You see, and now 0.25. Put it on the second one. So like you can actually move. No, scroll. Now go right side actually. Go right side. Now
Okay.
you have to get the second point, which is there. You see the second point is there. You actually
Uh-huh.
yeah. Second point is there. Now you just put the 0.25 to the second one, and you
Uh-huh.
can have this square now, right? Now you can actually shrink the chart first. Shrink it on the y-axis. Shrink it.
Okay.
No, not on the x-axis. On the y-axis, which is price.
Okay. Okay.
Shrink it on the just scroll it. No. Scroll. Go see the price axis. You see the price on the right side. Just
Yeah.
put your thumb on
Yeah.
it and scroll down. Yeah, yeah. Scroll down, not up, down. Yeah. So see, we are shrinking it,
Oh,
right? So as we shrink it,
yes.
so what you did know, so on the right side, click on the box. You see, there's 4 points, okay? One on the blue.
Yeah.
See these four blue points. One is on the bottom, one is on the up. You see that? So on the right bottom point, you take it to the upside instead of taking. Just put your finger on it on the left
Yeah.
bottom.
Oh, left bottom, huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Left bottom point.
And take up.
No, no. Sorry, right bottom. Hang on. Right bottom one. Yeah, right bottom.
Wait, I'll just get it right. Oh my God. Oh no, why?
Yeah. What's going on here, man? uh, anyway, like just delete this one and take another box. Now you understand, right, what I told you.
Yeah.
Just just delete this one. You see
Okay.
on the upside there's like delete button, right? Now select the box again,
Yeah.
right? And now put your first point to that low point I told you, the first green low. Left side, left
Yeah.
side, left side. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it's like,
Just construct a box
oh no.
first. Okay, go upside. Yeah, just construct a box first. No, don't go left. We don't go left, we don't go bottom, we only go right and up. Right and up.
Okay.
Okay, you see now it's perfect. You see 0 is aligned, 0.25
Yeah.
is aligned. Now click and take that box and drag it to the low of the green candle. Click
Okay.
first, click and leave it, click and leave it. Take that box to the low of that. uh, the zero, align that zero to the low of that, right? Yeah, 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 exactly. And now drag that right up point to the upside. Drag it. Yeah, upside and right. Yeah, just put it right side. Okay, and drag it to the second low of green. Yeah, there. Second low of that green. Second low, the low of that green. Go one candle before.
Exactly.
Go one candle, two candle before. No,
Mm.
just take
No.
it, drag it left side, drag it bit left side. Yep. Yeah, yeah. One more, just one more. Because see why we are being precise? No, because mathematics is precise. All right. If we put one point here
Yeah.
and there, then it will
Yes.
affect the whole time. That's why. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's it.
Okay.
So now just shrink the price axis again. Shrink it.
Mm. I forgot how
On the right side you
it
see
was.
price axis, right? Just put your thumb on it and scroll
Oh yeah.
down. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So this is what we delete that second box. Okay, it's I want to show you something, so delete that one. And why
Yeah.
why I'm not seeing the 0.75 line? Just click on
Where is
it, go
it?
to the
Oh,
setting, click on it, click on that
it,
box, go to the
oh no.
setting,
Click on that box.
go to the setting.
There is 0.75, right?
But it's
No, we didn't
not
click on
checked. It's
0.7.
not checked. Yeah, check it and put it black. Yeah. Okay.
Here as well. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's there. Okay. Click OK and then go back. Now we see this, right?
Yeah.
Um, yeah. Now we have to put the height. What's the max height that we want to put right now? So you see that max height, just put the one to that high of that red, the first one. On the first, see the first coordinate is our
Yeah.
0.0 say 0.25, right? So
Yeah.
we need to put that y-axis, the max of y-axis to that high of the low, high of that, between 0 and 0.25, what's the highest point? Put your highest point there.
Okay. Where to
Yeah.
click then?
Yeah. Go to the left up point and drag it
Okay.
down.
Uh-huh. Oh no.
Yeah, yeah.
This way?
Yeah, yeah. But the highest point, you need see, check this out, okay? You need
Okay.
to you know what the anchor points means? Anchor points.
No.
These 4 points are anchor points, okay? So if you click on it, you can
Okay.
drag it any direction you want to do, okay?
Mm.
Now in chart, as I told you, we only focus on first quadrant, right? Which is where x is
Yeah.
positive, y is positive. We don't drag it down, we don't drag it like left or something. But see, the first point is your 0 0, okay? That's your
Yeah. Yeah.
origin. That's your origin, all right?
Okay. Mm.
Your
Yes.
your second point is your y-axis, where the x is 0 and y is 1. I mean, this is standard
Mm-hmm.
mathematics. You know this already, right? Like this is how
Yeah.
we construct the
Yes.
chart. So you put the origin point 0 0 into the lowest of that. You see that lowest point where you want to do it. Just put it on the see the that green candle on the very big. You see that what's the lowest point you see in this chart right now?
I
Take
see. Huh?
take that 0 0.0 to that lowest point on that chart,
Mm.
where we have the candle basically. You see the
Between
green
the
candle.
box or
No, no, not
yeah.
between the box. Right now we are constructing the box. In the beginning we
Okay.
constructed the box really good, but like we need to um, we know that mathematics is exact, okay? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Right now if you put here and
Yeah.
there, then all the calculation will be wrong, you know like that's why
Okay.
we need to
Mm.
put it on the exact point first. So take that zero
I'm
zero
trying to
and put
I
it
don't
on
know.
what.
This comes.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
trying
so
to do and this comes.
yeah, so like see, you just click, put your finger on the left bottom point and then drag it, okay? Or just take the box and drag it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, see, so see that lowest point. So 0 0, you put the 0 0 on that lowest point.
Okay.
Go there, and 0 0 height as well. So drag it up, up, and put it on the exact low point. Yeah, yeah. See there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Now you see, 0.25 is on the second low point, and the height is around there. So now we can draw our trend line now. Okay.
Oh.
Makes sense?
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So now we can draw our trend line. So what you do, just click somewhere on the chart except the box. Okay. So see, this is our chart. This is our box. Okay.
Mhm.
Now take that. Okay, first scroll right first, or zoom in the chart. Scroll. Yeah. We need to see all the box. Okay. So
Mhm.
no, we need to see the full box.
Okay,
Okay.
then I will.
Yeah, yeah. That's it. So now take the ray tool and connect 0.0 to 1.1. So
Zero
first
point where?
0.0, the lowest point of the box.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Till
see, now in your mind, no, now it should be 3D structure. Think of the 3D structure. Where's the zero floor? Where's the ground floor?
it's down here at the
Yeah,
left.
yeah. So take your first point there, click on it, 0 0,
Huh.
which is 0 0, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Click there, yeah.
Okay.
And then take the second point to the fourth floor, which is your 1 1.
No,
Yeah,
no, no, no.
you put it on the box.
Oh my goodness. God.
See, this is why we need practice. Yeah,
Oh God.
yeah. So see, like right now your box is not correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Put box first correctly, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You don't need to like click it and leave it, just click it and drag it, like like you do on the apps. Once you delete it, it's just like
Uh-huh.
drag. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
First fix the box, okay? Take it to the lowest
Okay.
point of that candle. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You need to drag it a little bit up. Just imagine that candle is you, okay? That's your feet. Okay, you need to touch your feet to the ground, ground floor. Yeah. It's amazing how as human, we actually understand
Yeah.
an analogy a much better than like its exact term and stuff.
Oh no, yes.
So now I can see that line, just take that line. That's why I was telling you to disable the background. But anyway, yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I just
Oh
need to
God.
see the correct line, and then like we can uh, call this a day.
Oh God.
Now see, the thing is you need to click outside the box first. Okay, just follow my step. Okay, just follow my voice. It's a guided meditation.
Okay.
So uh, outside the box, click on the line first. Okay.
Fine. Okay.
Now you selected the line. Now you see that 2 point. Now drag that 1 point
Yeah.
to the bottom. This is the guided
Hmm.
meditation. See,
Yeah.
yeah, that's it. Now drag the second point to the up bottom, which is fourth floor. You see? Yeah, the
Yeah.
fourth floor, exact. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. So this is your one by one line. This is your 45-degree line. And you see, market is actually
Um,
respecting that line. You see, market when it started at ground
hmm.
floor, it went to the fourth floor,
Hmm.
then it came down to the first floor, then it went to the third floor, then it came to the second floor, went to the third
Yeah.
floor, came to the second floor, and then from second floor it went to upside, right? Now as you scroll right
Yeah.
side, you see, now as you scroll to the right side, and you can actually see we only needed this the data between 0 and 0.25. All the other data
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
where we are predicting it, right? It's market is
Yes.
following our lines, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you can also draw four different line, which is what the two times of that and the one fourth of that, four times of that and half and one fourth. Do that again.
Okay.
Just click on ray, put your first line to the 0, 0, the ground floor, first point. Yeah. No,
Okay.
you didn't selected the ray tool.
Mhm.
Go to the bottom, no ground floor 0, 0. Yeah. Click there, click,
Huh.
and then
Yeah.
click go to the 0.5 upside, upside, upside. Yeah, yeah, that one. Above 45-degree angle, above 45-degree line. Above. You see 0.5? You see 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that. Yeah, yeah. Leave it there now. Yeah. Click. That's it.
Yeah.
So that's your 2 by 1 angle, right?
Oh. Yeah.
This line is moving two times. For 1 unit of time, it's moving 2 units of price. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you draw one fourth, or 4 by 1. You see, you connect 0 to 0.25.
Right.
No, no, see, we only go right and up, okay? We don't go left. We don't go
Okay.
left. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So see, this is no, see,
Okay.
you're actually in the second point. So just put your second point upside, okay? Don't go down, upside. Put upside. Just go up a bit. Go up. Yeah, yeah. Leave
Mm.
it. Click on it. Click somewhere. Click. Leave it. Now you see this 2 point. Now the first point. Select the first point and drag it down. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. There. And then select the second point and then drag it to the 0.25 upside. Second point. That's not the you actually yeah, yeah. Now see, if you want to select the line, no, select outside the box.
Mm.
Okay. Think outside
Okay.
the box.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, it's all right. Like we will need that line. Okay, just put somewhere outside the box and like leave it upside though, not down, not left, not bottom. Go upside.
Mhm.
And yeah, yeah. And you need to practice this. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, really.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. So
What
yeah,
should
we're almost up. Like
mm,
let's.
no, no.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Select. Yep. See. Yeah, and now drag it to 0.25. 0.25 upside. We always construct first. We always construct first 1 by 1, which is 45-degree angle, and then we construct 2 by 1, then 4 by 1, and then yeah. So you get the idea, right? It's just similar for
Yes.
everyone, but the point is different.
Okay, okay, perfect.
Yeah, yeah. Now let's
Wow.
complete it. No,
Thanks, Ajay.
what?
Yes. I said, wow, thanks, Ajay.
Ah, okay, nice, no problem. So see, like we need to first we have 2.2 lines left. Okay, so just draw 4 by 1, which is 0 to 0.25. Select and then click
Okay.
on the 0 point first, and then take it to the
Okay.
0.25 upside. See the thing you're doing? No, you're selecting one line, 1 point. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just see. The thing is like we have 2 points, okay? The first point is the origin. So
Yeah.
so upside is the first point, which is starting, okay? Which is starting. You just
Okay.
stop right there. Don't do anything, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Just take this line outside the box. First, take it outside the box first, so that you don't select anything else. Yeah, 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 yeah. See, now leave it there, okay? So see, the first point is where the line is starting, okay?
Yeah.
That's your first point. The second point is where it's connecting to it. So you drag the first line to the origin. Think from the origin, okay? The ground floor.
Yeah.
Like once you go outside, like we always take the stair or elevator from the ground floor. So connect that point. Think of that first point is you, okay? Where you want to go to the 0 to 0. Take there, yeah. And then the second, your destination where you want to go, which is fourth floor, and yeah, the 0.25. Yeah, that's it. See, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah. Now you see that the half line that we had drawn, it's not drawn correctly. So you move that from 0.75. It's you see that there on the right side,
Yeah.
that line you drag
Yeah.
it to the 0.5.
Oh, no.
Select line outside the box. Yeah, select that second point. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
See, it's easy, right? Now you
Yeah.
can scroll
Yeah.
right side and see the lines. How the market is trading around that lines. See, scroll down. You see, right now we can buy actually. Right now we can buy this market.
Oh,
Yeah, but the market is
wow.
closed. I think it's 5, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Market is close to tomorrow. I think it's gonna go up. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna come to the next angle, which is half angle. Okay. So tomorrow, the
Okay.
homework for you tomorrow is to take one trade on this one, which is ICIC Bank. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Take one trade, like paper trade and stuff, and we'll
Uh-huh.
discuss it. Day after tomorrow. Sounds good.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
good.
So let's recap.
Thanks.
Yeah, let's recap. You tell me what you learned, and
Okay.
what I will be doing is like I will go back. Hang on. Sorry. Yeah, you just tell me what did you learn, and we can wrap it up after that.
Uh, that we studied about trading. That trading
Mm,
means exchanging values.
okay.
Yeah. Also, I studied about these colors. That mean green means increasing price and red means decreasing price.
Okay.
Also, yeah. Also, I got to know about this graph thing.
Mm.
And what was it? Yeah, I liked that example that you gave me. Like, there is in a year, there's 12 months, and then in a month,
Yeah.
there's 30 days. Like, it just goes deep and deep and deep.
Yeah, exactly. And actually, we will go much more deeper in that. Like, once we study about financial astrology, it's actually related to a lot of numerology, because see, like we see the timing principle in the multiples of 12. Why do we have
Yes.
multiples of 12? So there's
Yeah.
like 12 zodiac sign. Like why? That's where it
Yeah.
comes from, basically. So like 12, you have like Aries, then you have like Taurus, like this, like 12 zodiac
Yes.
signs, which are like different constellation. And and
Yes.
the center point is like there's two centers, geocentric, heliocentric. The sun is on the center. So, I mean, like we'll go much more depth in it. But like, yeah, I'm glad that like you liked it, and continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me know more. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. Also, you spoke about seasons, like if that's the time,
Mhm.
like yeah, what was it?
Yeah, I mean, like you don't have to be like exactly that. You just like skim through it. So far, you're doing really good. So yeah, skim through it. Just
Oh,
I want to see that like you remember those points that we talked about. Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, so see, so let me give you a hint. Okay, so we from the very beginning we were talking about. Yeah, you already gave me the example. I think yeah, that's really good. So
Okay.
from after time, we got much more deep into what time in trading means. So there's like 1 minute candle, for 1 day candle, 1 month candle, 1 week candle, right? So from that, like we divided
Yes.
into seasons. So and
Uh,
from there, that perspective, we after that we constructed a chart, right? Like I
yeah.
mean, before that we were just seeing what the normal human beings see. This is like advertising. People are advertising price. See,
Exactly.
see, they have the graph to themselves, okay, but they're not giving you graph. If you want to trade correctly, you need to construct the graph, right? So
Oh, yes.
yeah. So that's what's going on, okay. Um, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I think the most important point that I want you to take from this, all this class right now is the 3D aspect of it. How easy it becomes when we think it from 3D perspective. Um,
Ah, yes.
yeah. So
I'll
just
write
just
it.
yeah, just right now, like once I see this box, I see it as a block, block building block. All right, a 3D structure. Once I
Uh,
like imagine putting your finger on it and like dragging it upside. Okay, you will make a cube,
yeah,
right? Just drag it upside,
exactly.
take out to the of the screen, drag it upside. You construct a box, and all those lines are different planes, which is dividing that building into different parts, and that's what gives you support and resistance, where market will react. And those support resistance are nothing but a staircase. Okay, it's a stair. It looks like it's a stair, don't doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, yeah. And the turnaround that we have, we turn market turns around so that it can go to the next stair, next floor, and that's what it's doing. Yeah. So as it comes down to the stair, we buy. What we are doing. See, put yourself in the place of that price. Okay, put yourself in the place of that
yeah,
candle first. All right. Now you see, you go to the
yeah,
fourth floor, you come to the first floor down. Okay, that's
yeah.
your that's your
Uh-huh.
staircase. You see, from there we go to the
Yeah.
third floor. Then we again come to the second floor on the same stair, but on the second floor, right?
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yes.
Then we go up, and then we come to the again that stair, and it's going up, up, up. See, we are using the same stair, but we are going up. Exactly,
Up,
right?
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah. So that's the
Yes, yes.
analogy I want you to go out with, and and yeah, then after that, trading will be easy as easy peasy, easy peasy lemon
Yeah, I
squeezy.
can.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Trading is very easy after this, So yeah,
Really, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you liked it, and we will again sit down. I think after tomorrow, you go ahead and practice and see. Like, I'll give you some material to
Okay.
watch, and yeah. But so far that's it, and we are almost 3 hours in. Like 2 hours
Woo.
56 minutes. Yeah, yeah. So
Oh
it was a
no,
productive day.
right?
Yeah, yeah. No, it's good.
Yeah, yeah,
So
good.
yeah. I'm gonna be putting it on YouTube, and you can watch it there as well if you want to revise. So yeah,
Yeah, sure. You tell me the sorry, this channel.
yeah. The channel is uh, youtube.com at moneyfarming3258. This is my channel.
Hey
You
guys,
remember this, right?
welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel.
Yeah,
And
money
And in
farming,
this
yes.
video, we
yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
be
So
talking about.
so yeah, I'm gonna upload it there, and you can watch it from there. Okay.
Wow,
So
okay.
and
Thank
I'll also
you.
upload it on Udemy as well later on. So yeah,
Mm,
you're
okay.
welcome, and I'll see you day after tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
All right then. See ya. Bye.
Sure. Yeah, see you. Bye.